Hi guys, I'm Aisha, and if you watch our videos on YouTube, you probably know me as one of the content creators here at Glamrs. I wanted to come and give you guys a quick update about what's new with us these last few months so that you know exactly what's going on. First things first, we post every single day at 6 p.m. So make sure that you're subscribed and you ring the bell icon so that you get notified every time we post something. We have a lot of fun video topics coming up and we know that you love them and you don't want to miss them. We've also started a new Glamrs Shorts channel where we post YouTube Shorts daily. So we'd love for you to take a second and subscribe there too, so you can see all the fun hacks and tips that we've been sharing. If you prefer Hindi content, then check out our Hindi YouTube channel where we're posting the same exact content for you guys but just in Hindi. Also, if you guys are on Facebook and on Instagram, make sure to follow us because we're posting different kinds of content on every single platform every single day. In case you didn't already know this, we don't just make videos, we also make the most amazing skincare products ever that I personally use in my skincare routine and I'm obsessed with. They're available on our website, which is glamrs.com. They're on Amazon and on purple.com. But if you want the easiest access ever, you can get them right here on YouTube at our YouTube store. We've just launched a few new products that you should definitely get your hands on ASAP, like our Yuzu version of our bestseller Hands Up. We've launched 2 new day creams, Hydra Wave for dry skin and Matte Wave for oily skin. And we've also relaunched our amazing facial oil Dream Skin, which has a completely new look, but it works just as well. So thank you guys so much for watching our videos and enjoying our content. We love making them for you. So make sure to tell us what you want to see next in the comments below. We'll also be adding links to everything that I just talked about in the description box and as cards along the way in the video. So make sure you click on them, make sure you subscribe to us, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.